Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this beautiful highlighter. This is from the brand About Face, which is Halsey's makeup brand, and I actually got this in my August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X box, which was in collaboration with Halsey. So no surprise to see an About Face product in that. But this here is the Light Lock Highlight Fluid. So I got this in the shade Fight or Flight, and oh my gosh, does this look beautiful. I just cannot get over this packaging. It is incredible. And then it's a dropper. So there are a lot of different ways that I can use this, and I'm going to try it out in all of the different ways that I can come up with. But so before I actually try it, let me just give a little bit more information. Okay, so it retails for $32 and it is vegan, cruelty-free, made without gluten, phthalates, parabens, or synthetic fragrances. And by the way, if you want to see my Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing, I'll of course have that video linked in the description down below. But okay, let's start out by just checking out this shade. I'll do a little swatch, and oh my gosh, this already looks beautiful. It's like a rosy pink tone. Wow. Oh my goodness. Very shimmery and beautiful. Just gonna blend it out so we can see how it looks alone. My gosh, I love that. Okay, so it blends out really nicely and actually shears out pretty well. So, I mean, you can see the difference in my hands. Like, this gives gorgeous glow. It does look kind of shimmery, but not too, like, glittery. It still has glow. It kind of gives, like, a wet skin look. Wow. Oh, my gosh, I love that. I love this as a gorgeous body highlight. I feel like that is so flattering. It also can be mixed in with foundation, which is what I want to try out next. So whenever I just try out mixing products or primers, I like to use the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wear High Pigment Foundation. And let's see if we can amp up this foundation, add some glow. And then of course, I'm also going to try this just as a regular highlighter on top of the foundation, like how I normally wear highlighters. But I love that since it has the dropper, I feel like it's just made for mixing in with products and adding glow. I may have added too much. I kind of did equal amounts of each, the foundation and the highlighter. But let's see how that looks. Mix it up. Seems like it mixes well. Now time to blend it all over my face. Okay, there is no denying the beautiful glow and sheen that this foundation is giving my skin. And like I said, this is a matte foundation, but it no longer looks matte at all. It looks like a truly glowing, radiant, hydrating foundation, but it doesn't look sparkly, which is amazing. That's something that kind of worries me about adding a liquid highlighter to a foundation like this, because I don't want to have that Tin Man silver face. I don't want it to look like I'm wearing sparkle, but this does not look that way at all. And I added a lot of the highlighter to this, and I have a lot of glow to my skin right now, but it looks so natural. Like, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing foundation or highlighter, but my skin looks so dewy and radiant and hydrated and just amazing. This is what I want my skin to look like. This is the type of skin that I love. And I feel like it's blending out the same, looks great, even smooth on the skin, doesn't look at all heavy, even though you saw the coverage that I'm getting from this. And this LA Colors foundation is very inexpensive. I get it at Dollar General, but adding in this highlighter to it makes it look like such a luxurious, expensive foundation. And I don't think that adding the highlighter altered the color of the foundation either. So it truly is just the perfect mix in glowy highlighter. Like, look at my skin right now. I am so excited about this. Like, I can't believe this is my skin. Like, it looks natural, like it's my skin, but I have a whole face of foundation and highlighter on it, but it just looks like it would be natural, which is what I am always looking for with foundation and makeup. But okay, let's amp it up even more, even though I don't even feel like I need to necessarily add highlighter since my skin is already so glowing. But I am just gonna take a little bit, which I do feel like this is going to be able to last me a while since it's so pigmented. A little goes a long way. But I'm just gonna take some on my fingers here and let's add that cheek highlight. Oh my gosh. I just love this shade too. Like a silvery pink, which is just so pretty. Any way that I can incorporate pink into my makeup is something that I am excited to do. But wow, so this is actually sitting beautifully on top of the foundation. Oh, and that is so glowing, intense, but the texture is so natural, like it's melting into the skin and the makeup. Wow. Blends out really well with my finger, but just to perfect the edges a little bit. Wow. Oh my gosh, okay. So I felt like my skin was already really glowing and radiant, but I love how it looks with this highlighter on top. I know it's a little overboard, but it just looks so beautiful. And the texture looks so smooth, natural. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be wearing this highlighter just from head to toe. Mixed in my foundation, on top of my foundation, alone on the body. It is just so multitasking, beautiful no matter how you apply it, which is so impressive to me because sometimes liquid highlighters, illuminators are really only good in one method of applying. So maybe they're just good as a highlighter like this, or just good mixed in with a product. But this is such an incredible formula that it works in all ways. And the shade too, to be versatile enough to work in all of those methods is so impressive to me. Like, look at my skin right now. It looks amazing. It looks so radiant. It looks so healthy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think you can tell how much I love this product. Wow. So I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on this product if you've tried it out. What is your favorite method of applying it? I can't even choose. I love every single method that I tried out. So I'm just going to, like I said, wear this head to toe. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.